If I could ask mythologist Joseph Campbell about this, I know he would say that this is an example of our shadow self, taking those feelings we have, the insecurities, the anxieties, the things that we want to project onto others, projected onto AI, just like you projected onto a fictional character, the vampire, who, after all, some people call themselves vampires. There's a whole lifestyle around vampires. All of this evolving from three people sitting around a room and creating horror stories back in 1816. That's why creators are so concerned with legacy, because if they don't have compensation for creating the stories like Dr. Polidori, then why create the story? You can't make a living at it. You're not a writer. You're just going to be regurgitating what other people have done in AI. That's the argument against AI data, is it's what we've already done, and it's just giving us back more of what we've already done. And so, like Campbell would say, what makes AI so scary to us, not the alien intelligence idea that we can't understand it, it's the fact that AI, like vampires, actually plays two roles that Campbell talks about human myths being built around. The famous one is the hero journey, right? Overcoming odds, going through things, change, bringing about a whole new world. AI represents that all over the place for the people who like it. AI represents the opposite for the people whose creativity was taken because they see it as a destroyer, not a builder of worlds. And AI, in Campbell's words, is also the threshold guardian. That's the guard at the door that watches out for us, that protects us. That's our survival instinct as human beings. From hunter-gatherers up to now, we used to paint these projections onto cave walls. Now we put them in AI without permission, and we're trying to put more stories out.
Engaging creativity